Hi, I'm Belle from Gardening Express, and this is your guide to potting up spring plants for instant colour. So the first thing you're going to need to do is pick out your plants. You might pick based on colour, plant type, growing conditions, whatever it is that's going to suit your garden. Some great spring colour combinations that I recommend are yellow paired with purple and pink paired with blue. So now that you've picked out your plants, it's time to pick out your containers. Now, if you're using terracotta, make sure to soak it in water until it darkens a little bit, and this will just make sure that the terracotta isn't soaking up water from your soil. Remove your plant from the nursery pot and loosen the roots. Only untangle the roots if they're overgrown or if you're completely removing the original soil. Otherwise, just loosen them enough to comfortably grow into the new soil around them. Mix up your potting soil and put a layer in the bottom of the pot. It should be deep enough that when you put the plant in, the root system can be buried without burying any of the above ground plant. Hold the plant upright in its new pot and fill in the space around it with soil, patting it down lightly as you go. For smaller plants, you might need to use something like chopsticks to move the soil down and fill the sides in. If you're putting more than one plant in the same container, make sure to give the roots of each plant plenty of room to grow. In this case, it might be easier to put the nursery pots into the container and fill the soil around them, patting it down. That way, they will leave spaces just big enough for the plants, and you don't need to worry about ones falling over while you're holding up the other. Once the roots are completely covered, tap the sides of the pot to reduce the air pockets in the soil and give the whole container a good soak. Let any excess water drain from the bottom of the pot before putting it in its new home. So, having potted up your new plants, you should have some good instant colour to enjoy throughout the spring. For any more information about gardening or plants, be sure to check out the other videos and articles on our website. Thanks for watching and enjoy your garden.